Come on.
It's coming.
I just want to make noise.
What's going on? It's Phil here, and today we got Layton's Can-Am out of the garage, ready to go out. But we're gonna do some modifications to it before we do that. So I'll pass it over to him, and he'll explain to us what's going on.
Okay, so this unit here is a 2022 Can-Am Outlander 570. It's the XT model, but that doesn't really matter for this. And we're going to be putting on the MBRP exhaust system that I'm pretty sure works for the 2017 up until this 2022 model year. And the reason I decided to go with the MBRP is because they claim that you don't need to run a fuel programmer with it, whereas the other ones like the Yoshimura and the Big Gun system, which I would have almost rather have gone with because they sound better apparently, but they claim that you need to have other stuff to run it properly, otherwise that messes with the air-fuel ratios. So that was decided to go with this, and this system here is $700 Canadian, which is pretty damn ridiculous in my opinion, but that is what it is. Alright, so the install for this is going to be pretty damn straightforward. We'll start one 15mm bolt. It's going to loosen this clamp here. That's how we loosen off. So there's two of these bolts at the back that hold on the muffler, and they are 13mm for both sides. It looks like we have to reuse this clamp still. It's going to be real fun to get off of here. Okay, so after messing around getting the clamp off, which was a bit of a pain in the ass because it holds a lot of tension, the way you're going to want to do it is have the flared end of the new pipe facing back in towards the other piece of pipe with the clamp face down like this, so you can still get to the nut. We'll loosely place it in there like that. Okay, and then we're going to have to pull the grommet things out of this muffler here. These rubber grommets have to go back in with the little like steel spacers. Putting a little bit of WD on them just because they don't want to go in dry. Okay, so nice and easy, just pop them back in. That goes in there like so. Oh, okay. Alright. I think we're ready to hang this on there, huh? So now that the spacers and the rubber grommets are back in there, we'll try and hang this up here. See if we've got it aligned properly. Maybe this way? This one goes on a lot easier.
We got Nicholas involved.
The Jeep ski from episode, we'll just say episode 69.
That looks nice with that rubber on it.
35's no rub.
Are they actually 35?
35.
Oh, they don't look that big.
No, 35.
Okay, so everything's tightened down. Should fit pretty well. Hopefully no leaking sounds. And we're gonna start it up.